Kahapon ay binisita akong kaibigan sa ospital. She was diagnosed with breast cancer. Tinawagan na niya ako when she knew that she had breast cancer kasi alam niya na ako man ay isang breast cancer survivor. Matagal na kaming hindi nagkikita ni Linda before pandemic pa. Kahapon, nang magkaharap kami uli sa ospital, I had mixed emotion. Masaya ako kasi nagkita kaming muli after many years. But at the same time, malungkot din kasi nga sa kanyang sitwasyon at yung mga oxygen tube at mga needles na nakakabit sa kanya made it even worse. Malungkot ako kasi parang hindi na siya yung kaibigan na dati kong kakilala. Yung dating mataas ang energy lagi, madaldal, laging excited, maghatid ng balita tungkol sa mga kaibigan naming matagal na naming hindi nakikita. Marami kaming napagkwentuhan, including our days at the 700 Club. Sa 700 Club kami nagkita ni Linda. Pareho kaming counselor. We are manning the counseling booth sa 700 Club that time. Kaya lang kami nagkahiwalay nang kami magkaroon na ng kanya-kanyang trabaho. And since then, we never had any communication. Si Linda ay nanatiling single up to this day. Naging abala siya sa mga gawain ng Panginoon, katulad ng Bible study, nag-a-attend siya ng mga conferences, Christian conferences, and sometimes nagta-travel siya abroad upang mag-attend ng mga Christian gathering. Pag sila ay naiimbita, she would represent her group. I never appreciated my friend more than I appreciate her now. She remains positive. Her spirit is high, kahit na physically, she was looking very weak. Ako pa yung lihim na nasasaktan para sa kanya. As if she didn't care about what was happening to her. Most people in her condition would pity themselves, but not Linda. Siya pa ang nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob. Sabi niya hindi siya pababayaan ni Lord because God is faithful. Buong buo ang kanyang pag-asa that healing is forthcoming. Before I left, we prayed together. Pinipigilan kong huwag akong maiyak. I was inspired by her strength. I admire her for finding meaning in her situation. Ang lahat ay may dahilan. Yan ang sabi sa Bible. Napakabuti ng Panginoon. We were both blessed, but in a different way. We were both blessed, but our situation is different. God's wisdom indeed is beyond understanding. Sometimes the Lord uses the strong to strengthen the weak.